From the screen to my hand, it's taken form. Layer by layer, through code it was born. Spinning in my head, a vision unknown. A Bitaxe V8, my creation zone. Filament flowing like a neon stream. Building my engine from a dreaming machine. Click, clack, hum, it's the future I see. 3D printing magic, setting my mind free. Bitaxe burning bright in the night. Printed power ready to ignite. Dreams in plastic turning to steel. A V8 engine that's unreal. The blueprint whispers secrets untold. With each rotation it's worth more than gold.